Have you ever noticed that some things are impossible to move by yourself? And some things are impossible to get rid of. What can you really do with an old riding lawnmower? The name of my website is FurnitureRecyclingService.com, but I can help you recycle your old lawnmower as well. My service area is along I-5 from Everett to the West Seattle Bridge, along I-90 from Seattle to Issaquah, and along 405 from I-90 into Linwood. To learn more about the services we provide, please call 425-931-9226 or visit us at FurnitureRecyclingService.com. And remember, we do lawnmowers as well.